Hello guys, welcome to UNIq Designs, and this tutorial marks the beginning of the online course. And then, as we promised earlier, we told you guys that we will be teaching you the basics in AutoCAD, the architectural drawings, basics in Chief Architect, and also 3D renderings. So, as we stated earlier, we would like to start with the AutoCAD. And before I start, my team and I have realized that most of you do not have the AutoCAD software. So should in case we start everything or start doing something right now, most of you will find yourself wanting. And to avoid that, we prepared this video to teach those of you without the software so that I can help you to download the software and then install it. Okay. And before you start, I will be using the version 2016, the AutoCAD version 2016 to teach you. So I would recommend that if you have the 2016 or even if you have the higher version, it's okay. But if your laptop or your PC do not permit you to use that of the 2016, you would have to go in for a lower version. Okay. So when you check out the description, I have a link for 2016 and then a link for 2012 version, of which the 2012 version is of course lower than the 2016. So those of you whose PC do not permit you to use the 2016, you can go in for the 2012. And before you start downloading any of the softwares or any of the versions, you will have to check whether your PC is a 32-bit operating system or the 64-bit operating system. And for you to check that, you just right click, you go to display settings, then you scroll here, you go to about. So the information displayed here, you can see system type. And then for the system type, my operating system is 64-bit operating system. So if yours is 32, you see 32-bit operating system or 86 operating system. Either 32 or 86 is the same. Okay, so if yours is 32-bit operating system, right now you know. So now let me teach you how you can get to this software. When you click on the AutoCAD 2012 link, okay, when you click on the 2012 link, this is the interface you get. So as you can see, AutoCAD 2012 free download. Then when you scroll down here, there are some information that you have to check before you download. So the features of AutoCAD 2012, it is listed right here. And then when you come here, AutoCAD system requirements. So this is where you check whether your system fits is fit to operate this software. So as you can see, the operating system Windows is Windows 7. So if yours is either Windows 7 or anything, you can just get it. And then we have the 64 bits or 32 bits. So this one you wouldn't have to worry about getting 64 or 32 bits. Okay, the processor, everything is here. RAM, 2 gigabyte RAM. You know, everything is already here. So you check for all these requirements and compare it to your system. And then when you are satisfied that everything is just set, you just move on to download. So when you come here for this site, for this website, it gives you how to install. So this how to install contains a video that shows you the step-by-step approach in installing and then cracking the software. So after you download the software, the video on how to install it, you come here and then as you can see 32-bit. If yours is 32-bit, you're going for this. If yours is 64-bit, you're going for this. Likewise, the AutoCAD 16. When you click on the link for the AutoCAD 16, the approach is almost the same as the 2012. So you go in here, you read about the system requirements. Okay, so the system requirement for the AutoCAD, this is it. You read and then you check for your system if it matches or if it is fit to run this software. Then the same thing here. Before installing software, you must watch this installation guide video. So you go to how to install, you click, it's either you download or so let me teach you how to do it. And then when you click on the how to install, click on how to install, this is it. it will give you another tab which contains this interface. Then it's either you come here and then you click on this play icon or this play button to view it online or to watch it online, or if you want to watch it offline, you just download it. Okay, so if you want to watch it offline, you just click on the download video guide. So you have to wait for some few seconds and then it will start downloading automatically. So it will pop up at wherever your downloads appears. So when you look at my downloads appears right beneath here. Okay, so this is it has started downloading, and for me I already have the video, so there won't be a need for me to download. So let me pause it and then let me cancel it actually. So as you can see, this is how to do it. You install, you watch the video, you come to the install, and mind you, you have to please watch the video before you start installing, because you might not want to install it out of your own knowledge and then crash the software and again go and download. So please watch the video before you install it. All right, so for now I would end here so that by the time we begin with the main tutorials, most of you will be prepared. All right, so thank you for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can leave your comments or any challenges that you have, you can just leave it there.